Hello, in today's quick tutorial I will show you how to add a newsletter on GoDaddy. So I will show you how you can add a newsletter on your internet site on your GoDaddy. And so you log into your website builder on GoDaddy and you will go to the section that you want to choose that you put your newsletter in. I will click here, add a section. I want to add it right here. Click add a section and you will go here to blogs and newsletter. Then you will click, like I will choose subscribe, and you will choose a type of a layout type how you want it. I will choose here collect emails and set a newsletter. I will click this and I will add it here in this section. So guys, this was a quick tutorial how to add a newsletter, and this is it. This is how you edit. You can edit everything. You can put subscribe or edit anything in it. And here can people then, when you publish your site, send their email. They can sign up and they will get your newsletters. So I hope you enjoyed and it was helpful, today's tutorial. If you want, you can ask anything in the comments and check out our channel down below. For any other tutorials, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye!